when we think about SME owners, you're constantly thinking about your business. On your way home from work, you're thinking about your business. When you get home, you're thinking about your business. Right? And I think that's just what it takes to be an entrepreneur and to run a SME.
Grabe, ang taas ng energy ng lahat, no? It was jam-packed full of learnings yung first day natin. But day 2 also is more jam-packed.
This is an awesome experience for everybody, the attendees, the delegates, the sponsors, the exhibitors, and also the speakers like me.
Grabe, sobrang dami daw na inquiries. Imagine mo yon, naubos yung flyers namin. Tanghali pa lang, wala lang kami flyers.
Non-negotiable, never jeopardize the quality, the formulation, the ingredients, and of course, the sources.
First time namin sa PhilSME, nakakatuwa kasi napakadaming
Audience dito na talagang gusto nilang mag-business.
Integrity, commitment, and accountability, yun yung mga non-negotiable for.
Labas nyo ang cellphone nyo. Buksan nyo yung camera ng cellphone nyo. Tapat nyo sa mukha nyo. Sabihin nyo, what's up, nasa PhilSME ako ngayon? Naghahanap ako ng pagkakakitaan. Abangan nyo mga susunod kong vlog. Bye! Upload nyo bago ako bumaba na entablado ito. Ganyan lang ang content creation.
Two years pa lang ako dito, pero parang ngayon, gusto ko sa susunod hindi na ganito. Hindi na ako ganito kapagod. Dapat may nagde-decide na for me, hindi na yung lahat sa akin dadaan. So yun yung batayan ko ng pag magaling na ako.
The array of various foods here, quite impressive, and I'm impressed with the talks that's going on now.
I've seen a lot of new technologies, almost all online. Some are beyond me, but I'm here to learn.
I'm very happy to see fellow business owners as well as yung mga solutions na really alam ko makakatulong sa akin.
Ang wish ko po sa ating lahat, makapagnegosyo, matutunan yung tax compliance, at sana yumaman po tayong lahat.
This is PhilSME, AQMC.